Want to supercharge your garden with easy homemade liquid fertilizers? In this video, we'll break down 10 easy homemade brews to supercharge your garden. Our first blend is worm casting tea. To kickstart your garden's growth, worm casting tea is a gentle microbial elixir that strengthens roots and wards off disease. Bubble a handful of castings in water for 24 hours, then drench or spray in diluted form. It's perfect for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and leafy greens, helping them resist pests and improve nutrient uptake. For vibrant blooms and fruits, banana peel tea is rich in potassium and magnesium, perfect for blooming and fruiting plants. Chop peels, soak in water for 3 days, strain, and water around flowering crops. Ideal for tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, squash, and zucchini. It boosts flower development and enhances fruit quality. To keep your soil life thriving, next up is molasses water. It feeds beneficial microbes and brings your soil to life. Just dissolve a spoonful in a gallon of water and drench the soil occasionally. Great for all vegetables, especially lettuce, spinach, and kale, as it improves soil biology and nutrient availability. Next, for strong roots and early growth, DAP dissolved in water gives an instant boost of nitrogen and phosphorus. Just mix a teaspoon in a liter of water and drench around the roots. Best for root crops like carrots and beets, as well as tomatoes and peppers, promoting strong root growth and early fruiting. Moving along, to enrich your soil naturally, cow dung tea enriches soil life and builds fertility. Soak a shovelful of aged dung in a bucket of water for 2 days, strain, dilute, and water your plants. Works well with cabbage, broccoli, beans, and peas, supplying slow-release nutrients and improving soil structure. Let's not overlook seaweed. For healthier, stress-resistant plants, seaweed tea adds trace minerals and natural growth hormones for stronger roots. Chop and soak seaweed in water for 2 weeks, strain, and dilute 1/10 before spraying or drenching. Excellent for leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and zucchini, enhancing stress tolerance and boosting overall growth. To give your heavy feeders a boost, liquid fish fertilizer is a classic nitrogen-rich tonic. Ferment fish scraps with water and a little molasses for a month, strain, then dilute heavily before pouring around heavy feeders. Ideal for lettuce, kale, cabbage, and corn, giving a quick nitrogen boost for lush, vigorous leaves. To improve flowering and fruiting, wood ash water delivers potassium to boost flowers and fruit. Stir a cup of clean ash into a gallon of water, let it settle, and pour the clear liquid at the base of plants. Perfect for tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and squash, improving flower set, fruit size, and taste. For lush, leafy growth, comfrey tea packs and nutrients for lush leaves and healthier soil. Steep chopped comfrey leaves in water for a week, strain, dilute, and feed your greens. Great for lettuce, spinach, chard, and herbs, encouraging leafy growth and supplying trace minerals. Finally, to give fast-growing veggies an extra shot of nitrogen, grass clipping tea gives a free nitrogen shot straight from your lawn. Soak clippings for 3 days, strain, and water veggies for a quick boost. Best for spinach, kale, broccoli, and peas, helping fast-growing leafy vegetables thrive with extra nitrogen. By using these 10 liquid fertilizers regularly, you'll nourish your soil, strengthen your plants, and enjoy bigger, healthier harvests throughout the season.